Financial forecast that just recently came out, I think there's some pieces of good news in there. I think the best news is that it appears that the local real estate market in Fairfax County, particularly the residential component, is stabilizing. After 4 years of decreases, we're going to see an increase in 2012 on the residential side of 3.31%. That's good news. The other good news is that the non-residential side, or the commercial side, looks like it's close to bottoming out. While there will still be a decrease in 2012, it's not as significant as we thought it was going to be. So we hope that we have stabilized the real estate market, which is about 63% of our revenue. The good news is it's stabilized and it's growing slightly. The bad news is it's never going to grow like it used to in previous years. We are unlikely to see 7, 8, 9% increases on the residential side or double-digit increases on the commercial side. So what we have to adjust to going forward in 2012 and beyond is what we'll call the new normal in Fairfax County. And when I say new normal, that means that annual revenues would grow in the range of 2 to 3% each year. And that's going to be a challenge for us because so much of our budget is fixed in terms of compensation and programs and so forth, that going forward it's going to be a challenge for us to meet the future needs of the community while dealing with a much lower revenue stream, especially from the school side. Schools are 53% of our budget, and we know that the school system continues to grow. So while there's good news in terms of maybe we've bottomed out in Fairfax County, maybe a little bit sooner than other parts of the country, we still have a lot of significant budget challenges ahead for us. And how we adjust to that as a government and as a community are going to be the challenges that we're all going to have to grapple with going forward.